conversation about decorating a new apartment. The living room feels so plain. We definitely need to make it more inviting.
Agreed. It's a bit too bare right now. What do you think about adding a colorful rug?
That's a great idea. A nice rug can bring the whole room together. Should we go bold with a patterned one or something neutral?
I think a bold pattern could add character. Maybe something with warm tones?
Warm tones sound good. It'll balance the light walls. What about the couch? It looks a little bland.
Definitely need some throw pillows. Let's go for a mix of solid colors and some fun patterns.
Agreed. Should we match the pillow colors to the rug? Or mix and match?
Mix and match for sure. It'll look more vibrant that way.
Perfect. Now, the windows. These plain blinds aren't doing anything for the space.
We need curtains for sure. Maybe something light and airy to keep it bright in here?
Good call. Sheer white curtains would be great, but maybe we can layer them with a heavier fabric for contrast.
Ooh, I love that idea. Let's go for white sheers and maybe a deep green or navy layer.
Navy sounds elegant. Speaking of layers, what about adding some art to the walls?
Yes, a mix of framed prints and maybe a few personal photos. Do you have any favorite artists?
I'm thinking abstract prints. Something colorful but not overwhelming.
Perfect. And maybe a mirror for the wall opposite the windows? It could make the room feel bigger.
That's a great idea. A round mirror with a gold frame would look chic.
Love it. And for that corner near the couch, what do you think about a floor lamp?
Definitely. Maybe one with adjustable brightness so we can set the mood.
Perfect. Should we add some string lights around the window too?
Yes, string lights would add a cozy vibe. What about plants?
Oh, we need plants. A big potted one for the corner and some smaller ones for the shelves.
Agreed. A fiddle leaf fig or a monstera for the corner would look amazing.
Totally. Let's also get a couple of hanging planters for the window area.
Good idea. And maybe a small succulent or two for the coffee table.
Yes. Speaking of the coffee table, it's looking pretty empty. Should we add a tray or books?
How about both? A tray for candles and coasters, and a couple of coffee table books.
Love it. Should we get candles with a subtle scent? Something like vanilla or lavender?
Yes, vanilla would be perfect. It's cozy without being overpowering.
This place is going to look so amazing once we're done. When should we go shopping?
How about this weekend? We can check out some thrift stores and home decor shops.
Sounds perfect. I can't wait to see everything come together.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.